All right. Did y'all have a good weekend? Let me connect here. I heard a yes. That's good. Anyone else have a good weekend? Y'all would have rather have been here or what? Tough crowd. All right. Well, anyways, these are going in the grade book soon. Slope from a graph, delta assignment. So if you haven't been here, or if you never finished it, there's still time. You got to go to 820 in the Google Classroom and do the delta math assignment because that grade will go into the grade book exactly as I see it. Okay. Slope from a graph, 1 through 12. It looks like that right there. Anyways, we did notes on Thursday, right? We had a quiz on Friday. So if you weren't here for that, I'll make sure you do that. But Thursday we did a quiz. Sorry, Thursday we did notes based on stuff like this. Can you take a graph and get an equation? Okay. So let's remember, what is slope intercept form? Y equals mx plus b, right? Does everyone remember that m is the slope, b is the y-intercept, okay? So when we have a graph, look at number one, I need to find the slope. So here's 2 points. Do I start on the left or the right? The left. So here's the left, and does it go up or down from here? Down 2, which means -2. And then it runs to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my m, my slope, is down 2, right 4, -2/4. And remember, you want to reduce it. That does reduce to -1/2. Okay? My b value, where does this line cross this y-intercept? And it's right here. So what is this y value? Here's 0. And it's 3 above 0. So my b value is 3. So I found the rise over run for m. I found the y-intercept is b. Now all I got to put is m and b into y equals mx plus b. So here's the answer. Y equals -1/2 x. And then the b value is positive, so plus 3. Cool. All right. Number 2. Once again, I got 3 points here. I just got to pick 2 of them. So let's pick this one and this one. Once again, I start on the left, right? Everyone's looking up here? Everyone's looking up here? So on the left, this rises up 3 and it runs 1. Rise 3, run 1. So my m is 3 over 1, which, as we remember, over 1, you can just write it as a whole number, 3. My b value, my y-intercept, where does this graph cross this y-intercept? And it's right here in the center. What is that y value right there in the center? 0. Big old 0 at the origin, okay? So, once again, I'm going to, hey, look over here. My m is 3, my b is 0, so y equals m, or 3x. Should I put plus 0? You could put plus b, plus 0, but plus 0 means nothing, right? It doesn't actually change anything. So you actually don't write that. That's like invisible math. Adding 0 means nothing. I don't know if that's up there actually. All right, last but not least, number 3. Here is my 2 points. Point on the grid, point on the grid. Start on the left. This goes down 2, which is -2. It runs to the right 2. So my slope, my rise over run, down 2, right 2, -2/2. And you can use Desmos to reduce that, but -2 divided by 2 is -1. Okay? My b value is 1, 2, 3, 4 below 0. So yeah, -4. Now careful here. how do I write this? So y equals mx plus b. Y equals negative 1x. When we write negative 1x, we usually do not write the negative 1, right? We just write the negative sign without the 1. So if you wrote negative 1x, okay, as long as you know that's the same thing as negative x. The 1 is implied, the 1 is invisible. And then the b value is minus 4, okay? This is an example of what we did on our notes Thursday. And today, I'm giving you the beginning of an assignment, okay? So I want to see if you can find the slopes and y-intercepts, write them as equations. Pretty straightforward, basic algebra 1 stuff. And that's it for today. Unless you did not finish your quiz, or if you were not here Friday, I need you to take that quiz first. But that's it.